How to fix QuickBooks error 15240 for quick solutions. Solution 1, run QuickBooks as administrator. Step 1, right-click on QuickBooks icon on your desktop. Step 2, select Run as administrator. Step 3, next, open Properties and check the compatibility for all users. Solution 2, verify the system date and time settings. Step 1, right-click on the time and date display at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2, click on Adjust Date and Time. Step 3, if there are any errors, set it right. Solution 3, add Windows permission to QuickBooks installation folders. Step 1, click on the Windows Start menu and go to For 64-bit users. Step 2, right-click on Intuit folder and select Properties. Step 3, go to the Security tab and select Advanced. Step 4, next, make sure that the owner of the folder is the user group. Step 5, if the owner is not the user group, on the Advanced Security Settings window, click on Change beside the owner name. Step 6, type users in the Enter the Object Name to select field, then select Check Names. Step 7, once done, select OK. Step 8, mark Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects, then click on Apply and OK. Step 9, select Users on the Permission window, then Full Control. Step 10, next, select Apply and then OK. Step 11, once done, try downloading the updates. Solution 4, check third-party firewall. Step 1, click on the Windows Start menu, type in Windows Firewall and open it. Step 2, select Advanced Settings. Step 3, in the next window, right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Step 4, next, in the Protocol and Ports tab, select TCP. Step 5, in the specific local ports, enter the ports required for your QuickBooks version and select Next. Step 6, now, select Allow the connection, and then Next. Step 7, when prompted, make sure all profiles are marked and then click Next. Step 8, create a rule and name it like QBports year, and once you're done, click on Finish. Step 9, now, you need to create exemptions for QuickBooks programs. To do this, open Firewall again from Windows. Step 10, select Advanced Settings. Step 11, right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Step 12, now, select Program and then Next. Step 13, select this program path and then click on Browse. Step 14, find and select a QuickBooks executable files, then click on Next. QBW32.exe, QBupdate.exe. Step 15, select Allow the connection and then Next. Step 16, if prompted, make sure that all profiles are marked and then click Next. Step 17, create a rule and name it like QBports year, and once you're done, click on Finish. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.